Good morning, everyone. My name is Jade and I am the school captain. Welcome back to another LPS Assembly. Just 2 weeks to go, can you believe? That's only 10 school days. In other news, here is Danger with a joke.
How do you put an elephant in the fridge? You open the fridge and put in the elephant. How do you put the giraffe in the fridge? You open the fridge, take out the elephant, and then put in the giraffe. What animal was not at the Lion King party? The giraffe, because it was in the fridge.
Earlier this term, a group of students from grades 3 to 6 participated in the ICAS assessment. They worked hard with Mr. Carey and Mrs. Rao to prepare for the test. A big congratulations to all of those that were involved and a special mention to 4 of the students who received a distinction. Smriti from grade 6, Shannon from grade 4, Alexander from grade 4 and Lacey from grade 3. I will now read out the acknowledgement of country. We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we stand today and recognize their continuing connection to land, waters and culture. We pay our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging. Here is Gavani.
Hello, my name is Gavani and I am the SRC chairperson. Good morning, everyone. It is now time for the national anthem. Please remove your hats and stand quietly with your hands behind your back. Please sing along in a nice, strong voice and do not sit down until asked to do so. Thank you, everyone. Please sit down quietly. Here is Christian.
Hello, my name is Christian. I'm school captain. Good morning, everyone. Here are this week's Common Award winners for those students who have been displaying our Lintus Primary School values.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Vadera here with the Common Awards. We'll start with Prep. In Prep A we've got Ariana. In Prep D we've got Jaskaran and Pranav Sai. In Prep E we've got Viraj. In Prep F we've got Ganit. In Prep G, Mantaj. In Prep H we've got Sierra. Moving on to the grade 1s. In 1A we've got Nupelda. In 1B we've got Probnor. In grade 2, 2A we've got Tilly and Calvin. In 2B we've got Setayesh. In 2C, Delina. 2D, Isabella. 2E we've got Prisha and Lachlan. In 2F we've got Tarina. In grade 3 we've got Lachlan in 3B, Riley and Kirat in 3D. In grade 4 we've got Aubrey in 4A and Naz in 4E. In grade 5, well done to the grade 5 teachers for getting all their common awards in. We've got Mohammed in 5A, Amber, Chance and Evie in 5B, Nicholas and Ecuador in 5C, Simmer in 5D, Kirat and Sanjay in 5E. In grade 6, we've got Ekambir in 6A and George in 6D. Well done, everyone.
Well done to all our award winners. Here is the Feather Awards.
We'll do the common awards now, so we'll give the box a nice shake. And the first Feather Award goes to Agam in 3B for being a responsible student and always following directions. Well done, Agam. And the next one is for DJ for being kind towards others, and working really hard. Well done, DJ. Another one here for Alana in 3B for great whole body listening whenever the teacher talks. That's really good to hear, Alana. And the final Feather Award is for Amelia in 2B for cleaning up the classroom. I love a tidy classroom, so well done, Amelia.
Here's Lachlan.
Hello, my name is Lachlan and I'm the SRC chairperson. Good morning, everyone. Here is Miss Videra to present the principal's report.
Hi again, everyone. It's Mrs. Videra with the Assistant Principal's report. We've got 2 more weeks of school to go and no doubt you're all ready for the break. Just to remind you that tomorrow is our step-up day and how the morning will go will be explained to you sometime today by your teachers. I'm sure you're all very, very excited to meet your teachers for next year and to get to know which friends you're going to be with in your classes for next year. Have a fantastic morning and enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.
Thank you, Miss Videra. Before we finish our assembly for today, a special shout out to another 2 of our LPS students who unfortunately cannot attend our school at the moment due to COVID-19 and travel restrictions. A big hello to Deepika in 6C and Sartak in 3A. We hope you are well in these difficult times and your friends are looking forward to seeing you again soon. Well, that concludes our assembly for today. Please enjoy your week and try your best to display the Lintus values. Please stay seated and follow your teacher's instructions. Bye!